Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to UNice here for sponsoring this video. Now, today we are working with a curly wig. Yes, I said it, and it is spectacular. Absolutely love it, and I cannot wait for you guys to see. First things up, a comb, a wig cap, bag to store your wig, and of course a edge band because you need it. I actually love this one. Now let's get on to this wig. Guys, the wig is amazing. I love the upgrade that they do with this wig. It is pre everything, so it's very easy to install, and of course with it being a curly wig, it's going to be easy for you. Super easy. Now, the main feature that I love about it is the lace and of course the upgrade with their bye-bye slip wig cap. When I tell you this wig is not gonna go nowhere because everything is in place, they upgraded the cap. The way they have the band right now, it's very secure, which means you can wear the wig glueless. So seamless look, very easy and beginner friendly. The curls is amazing. I love the curls, the texture, everything was just perfect on this wig, and I absolutely love the built-in silicone straps. OMG, the wig is not going nowhere. Okay guys, so it's that time where we're gonna install this wig, but I am here and I'm looking how beautiful this was designed, because you know why? They have their upgraded wig cap, and that's something that I love. Now, I showed you guys already the wig, but I really want to talk about it a little bit more. The bye-bye slip design that they have in the wig. I don't know if in the unboxing you guys were seeing it good, but the new bonding technique, it's stretchy and it fits. Built-in silicone strips, okay? I absolutely love this. And the adjustable elastic strap that is all the way at the front. So your wig's supposed to be super snatch on your head. Now, of course, the anti-slip is still there, but the drawstring, and I tell you guys, all my wigs have a drawstring. I love this feature because when you're purchasing a wig, you just get a wig with a drawstring and it fits any head size. All you gotta do is pull it so it fits your head, and then you tuck the string underneath. I will show you guys once we install the wig as well to release it. All you gotta do is release the string and the wig is expanded again. Now, absolutely love that. Okay, the thin strap lace laid flat like glue down, which is this part right here, and no messy glue needed anymore because the design of the strap that they add. Okay, so this is how it is, right? And once you add this to your head and pull it, it's gonna snug your cap. What more do you need? Like, it is so insane. You can do glueless installation. Like, you see, because it's built right where the lace is. Once this is on, you pull it, the lace is gonna be snatched on your head. So I absolutely love that as well. And the wig will fit any head size. Okay, I absolutely love that. I will show you guys. This is the curl pattern, and I'll show you guys how snug the lace is. You see that? It is absolutely amazing. I'll definitely create another style as well so you guys can see. But this is the wig. It's very full. It's comfortable. It's very secure. I'm gonna shake my head and show you guys, but let's get into this install. So if you reach this part, make sure you like and subscribe, leave your comments, and you guys already know there will be a link with discount for this wig in the description. Let's get into it. The lace, chef's kiss. The lace. Okay, now the curl. But I'm gonna show you guys how you're gonna get the wig snug on your head. It's very loose right now, because it can get this loose. Okay, I'm gonna pin this up and we're gonna pull both straps, the drawstring and the elastic. That's gonna make the wig snug. Just make sure you position the hair where you want it, and this is where I want mine. So make sure the middle part that it comes with, it's already there, and if you want to change it, that's perfectly fine. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is, this is popping out, so we're gonna pull this as tight as we can, which is a strap, as tight as you can bear it. That's what I'll say. See how snug this is. It's not going nowhere. Oh, I think I'm gonna wet it down. I really like the color of it. Not the color of it, it's black, but I really love the texture. It feels so full, it feels so good. You guys know how I go down with my hair already. Once I'm gonna wet it down, I use the mousse, the spray bottle. Show you guys once the hair is dry. It's gonna be super easy. Just gonna section this off in two, spray the water in the mousse, brush it out, and let it self dry. And then I will be back. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I've been wearing so much curly hair. This one, the lace, 10 out of 10. The texture of the hair, 10 out of 10. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys that you can part the wig and do something different, because I absolutely love the texture. So I'll be back.
No one will stop us. Ain't no one will stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your veins. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. It's what you want.
Are you guys seeing this? Cause UNice, the curl is spectacular. I did this and in a few seconds I curled. I mean, I had it already dry. Because it was so curly for a water wave, I didn't spray it all the way down, but I want to show you guys how the ends look curly, and it is beautiful. Absolutely love it. I really like this wig. So I will definitely show you guys another style. I really want to create something else, but I'm thinking, should I do a side part? Should I do a updo? I don't know, but what do you think? I really want to show you guys another style, but this is beautiful. I kind of razor cut the front right there just a little bit so it have that little layered look, but this is black. Like, if you want a really dark curly wig, this is a wig for you, of course, because it's super dark. I love the texture. I love how it feels. The lace is given. Look at that lace. Like, I know you guys see the lace and it's spectacular. No, this wig is so good. The parting space for it, oh, I love it. Now, this is how it looks around the back. I love this. I feel like I want to go on the road tomorrow. It is nighttime now, but of course I really want to go and showcase this wig because it looks so nice and you girl love it. Now this is it. The wig is not going anywhere, so let's keep that in mind. It's very cute. I love it. And I will create another style so you guys can see. I believe it's 24 inches. Everything will be linked down. So let's get into the cute part and let's create something else. You ready? Because I am. I really don't know about you guys, but when you have a closure curly wig and it can do this, this is a closure I did not have to hide so much. You guys are seeing. No, you can get real fancy if you want to, but the idea of this is to show you guys how well this wig was made. They did it, okay? UNice, you did this. Did you guys see these curls at the front? With it just takes seconds to do. I absolutely love this. And then I went ahead and just do a little something at the sides just to kind of bring it off a little bit. And guess what? We will be wearing this as is because I like it. Now, I don't feel like I want to do anything to this, but let me show you guys how the back is, how curly it is. So curly, and I love that. I love that for me. I love that for me. Okay? Yeah. This is super nice. If you guys even look, even when I pull the curls, it is amazing. Now, the lace is spectacular. You guys already saw that. I didn't have to do baby ear or anything. The lace is giving what it needs to give. So UNice did that again. The lace is everything. Glueless. It's perfect. You're gonna be satisfied with this. Now, I like this look and I feel like I'm gonna wear this as is. But say for instance, you want a little bit more pop. I like pop. I like it. I like it. If you want a little bit more pop, sweetheart, you can do a little bit more pop. Whatever you want, you can. Okay? I use the grab clip just to show you guys that you can definitely add a little bit more pop. But for me, I feel like I do that style so often. So I really want it to look like this. And I like it as is. I love the curl pattern. I love how it is. My face just seems very classy right now. I would add some different earrings to this and like some hoops and perfect. Now this is it. This is where I need you guys to check the description. I am done showing you guys and we can go on and on. Now the wig is very versatile. You can create whatever style you want. I just like leave out at the front. I just feel like it complements my face. I love an updo. You can do that as well. I just feel like I'll always be doing that. So I decided to keep it real simple and classy. And I absolutely love this. Now, not because you wear your wig, you cannot, doesn't mean you cannot create different styles. You can look like 3 different persons at work for the week, okay? So don't forget that. But anyway, I love it. So I want you guys to love it too. Make sure you check the description. There will be a coupon code for you guys, a very much discount code. So check the description. Everything will be linked. And thanks to UNice again for sponsoring this video. You need this because I have it and it's perfect. Okay, I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.